Can you handle the jolt of entering the realm of electric vehicles? Buckle up because we're about to uncover the shocking truth behind those hidden costs that might just give you an electric shock. Get ready to plug in your curiosity and hit the road of enlightenment as we navigate through the financial labyrinth of electric car ownership. It's time to separate the wheat from the chaff and find out if an electric car is truly worth the jolt. Ladies and gentlemen, penny pinchers and budget-conscious enthusiasts, welcome to a video that will have you re-evaluating your car buying decisions. Here at Car Computer Exchange, we believe in shedding light on the dark corners of automotive expenses. We know that owning an electric car isn't all rainbows and unicorns. There are hidden costs lurking beneath the sleek exterior. But fear not, as we embark on a thrilling journey to unravel the mysteries of electric car ownership and determine whether the savings on gas will leave you feeling electrified or electrocuted. Let's rev up those financial calculators and spark some intelligent discussions about the true cost of going electric. When it comes to EV charging efficiency and cost, it's time to embrace a whole new way of thinking. Electric vehicles offer a plethora of benefits, and the first one is the convenience of charging at home. Bid farewell to those gas station detours and endless pump pulling dramas. With an electric car, you have the power to recharge your ride right in your own driveway. It's like having a personal fuel station at your fingertips. Speaking of charging, slow and steady wins the race when it comes to reducing charging costs. While fast charging may sound tempting, it can come with a hefty price tag. Slow charging equipment not only saves you some green in your wallet, but also puts less strain on the grid. So kick back, relax, and let your electric steed juice up leisurely while you enjoy a cup of coffee or catch up on your favorite TV show. Now, let's pull over and compare the hidden costs between electric vehicles and their gas-powered counterparts. EVs might have a higher upfront price, but when you factor in the savings on gas and maintenance, the road starts to look a lot smoother. Think of it as investing in a high-tech vehicle that not only saves you money, but also helps save the environment. It's like being a financial superhero with a green cape. But hold on tight, because insurance costs for electric cars can sometimes throw us a curveball. Due to their advanced technology and higher repair costs, insurance premiums for EVs can be a bit shocking. Insurance companies are still catching up with the data on EV repairs, so be prepared to pay a bit more to protect your electric pride and joy. It's a small price to pay for being on the cutting edge of automotive innovation, right? Let's pull into our imaginary driveway and talk about home charging costs. While the convenience of charging at home is a game changer, there are some additional expenses to consider. Installing a charger at home might require some upfront investment. But fear not, as government incentives and assistance programs are here to save the day. These programs can help offset installation costs and make your transition to an electric lifestyle even more financially appealing. It's like getting a helping hand from the powers that be. As we plug in our cars, it's essential to understand the impact of electricity rates and the time of charging on costs. Just like any other household appliance, the rates you pay for electricity can vary depending on when you charge. It's like playing a strategic game of power consumption chess. By charging during off-peak hours, you can take advantage of lower rates and keep your charging costs in check. It's all about finding that sweet spot where savings and convenience meet. But what about the dreaded battery replacement costs? It's true that EV batteries can be quite expensive. However, before you start sweating profusely, let's break it down. Battery prices vary depending on factors such as the size of the battery and the labor involved in replacing it. Think of it as investing in the heart of your electric vehicle. And don't forget, as technology advances and demand grows, the costs are likely to decrease, making it an even more affordable venture in the future. Speaking of the future, let's shift gears and explore the future of EV battery costs and the market. While rising raw material costs have led to recent increases in battery prices, don't let that discourage you. The electric vehicle revolution is just getting started, and with it comes the promise of exciting developments. As technology advances and economies of scale kick in, there is a high chance we'll witness a decrease in battery prices. The more electric vehicles hit the roads, the greater the demand, and manufacturers will be driven to find innovative solutions to make batteries more affordable for consumers. So hang in there and keep your eyes on the horizon because the future of EV battery costs is looking bright. Alright, my electrifying road warriors, it's time for a pit stop. But before we dive deeper into the world of electric cars, let me ask you, are you feeling charged up with knowledge or in need of a caffeine boost? Let's take a moment to refuel ourselves and make sure we're ready to tackle the next leg of this electrifying adventure. So grab a cup of joe or your favorite energy drink and let's get back on the road to uncover more shocking truths about electric vehicles. Ready? Let's go! Electric vehicles, or EVs, are like the VIP section of the automotive world. But some folks worry that the guest list might be limited to luxury vehicles only. Sure, Tesla may have thrown the hottest EV party in town. But fear not, my budget-conscious friends, because other automakers are crashing the party with more affordable options, and they're bringing the fun to the masses. Now, let's talk about the charging infrastructure, the unsung hero of the EV revolution. While we've come a long way in setting up charging stations, they can still be as elusive as finding the perfect parking spot on a busy Saturday night. It's like playing hide and seek, but with electricity. And there's another catch, the speed demons. We have level 2 chargers that are like your patient grandma knitting a sweater. And then we have DC fast chargers that are more like Usain Bolt on steroids. The difference in charging time can make your head spin faster than a roulette wheel. But fear not, my fellow road trippers, because major charging networks like Tesla, Electrify America, EVgo, and ChargePoint are here to save the day. They're like the superheroes of the EV world, expanding the charging infrastructure and ensuring that you'll never be stranded on the side of the road with a dead battery. With their powers combined, you can rest assured that your EV will be fueled up and ready to go, no matter where your adventure spirit takes you. Looking ahead, the demand for EV charging infrastructure is about to skyrocket like a fireworks display on New Year's Eve. We're talking about more EVs hitting the road than a traffic jam during rush hour. So, it's time to buckle up and get ready for some serious expansion. We need more charging stations, both level 2 and DC fast chargers, to meet the needs of future EV enthusiasts. By 2030, experts predict there could be enough EVs on the road to form an electric convoy stretching from coast to coast. In a nutshell, while there may be some concerns about the EV market and charging infrastructure, the industry is revving up to address them. So, don't slam the brakes on your electric dreams just yet. With advancements in technology and a growing commitment to sustainability, the EV revolution is charging full speed ahead. Join the party and embrace the electrifying future. It's going to be a wild ride. So, my fellow night owls and electrified road warriors, I hope this video has shed some light on the world of electric cars and their incredible features. Remember, when it comes to EVs, it's not just about luxury vehicles anymore. There's room for everyone to join the party. If you've enjoyed this electrifying journey with us and want to stay in the fast lane of automotive knowledge, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. By subscribing to Car Computer Exchange, you'll never miss a beat when it comes to the latest updates on electric cars, charging infrastructure, and everything in between. Together, let's illuminate the path towards a greener, more electrifying future. Subscribe now and join our community of car enthusiasts who are ready to revolutionize the way we drive. Until next time, stay charged, stay curious, and keep those wheels turning.